ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति
शांति शांति। Take a deep breath, smile करो और शुरू हो जाओ. Right? Hello and welcome. I'm Tisha ma'am and I'm going to teach you English. Now, quick tell me what have we done last class? What have we done? What have we completed?
Ma'am, we completed chapter 4 in grammar. Chapter number 4, ma'am.
Yes, we completed chapter number 4, which was a very, very easy chapter. Chapter number 4 was singular and plural, right? With that, I have also shared the answer key of the exercises which were in this book. So I guess आपने वो भी देखा होगा. Now, what are we going to do today? We are going to learn a similarly easier chapter जो हमने grade 1 और grade LKG से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. That is chapter number 7, articles. I would request all of you to take out chapter number 7 in your grammar textbook. That is articles. Write today's date, which is the page number
22.
Which is the page? Which is the page number?
38.
Yes, it is on page 38. Write today's date on page 38, articles. Now everyone, look over the book. I'm visible to everyone? Am I visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Articles are a and the. Here, we already know this. Now, I would want Rena, please tell me where should I put N? And what,
ma'am?
Here is 21.
N. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, before noun, before noun.
Before the noun that begins with the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Where do we put N? N हम वहाँ लगाते हैं जहाँ पे the noun is starting from A, E, I, O, U. That is vowels. Here is where we use the. The is used for the thing which is one, single. The sun, the moon, the United States of America, right? The USA or the UK, you can say. या फिर if you are talking about that particular thing. Suppose, for example, I have a pen. The pen is blue. Right? दूसरे sentence में मैंने the लगाया. The reason कि I'm talking about that particular pen. I have a pen. The pen is blue. Clear? I have a dupatta. The dupatta is black. Now, clear about where are we putting A and the? Vishwa, can you please read the blue box which is there on page 38? Everyone else, please underline the blue box. Vishwa, please read it. Okay, Vansh Kadiwar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, please read the blue box. It is on page 38.
Yes, ma'am.
वंश, आपका कैमरा भी ऑन कर दो तो बच्चा. Please switch on your camera.
Yes, yes. The three words
Okay.
a, an, and the are articles. Articles modify nouns. They are placed before the nouns. Then articles are of two types: indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles. A and N are indefinite articles. We use a or an before nouns that do not refer to a specific person or thing. Example: my sister gifted me a book. I want to eat an apple. We use a or n before nouns when we talk about them for the first time. Examples: I saw an elephant in the zoo. I saw a lion in the forest. A is used before nouns beginning with a consonant sound. N is used before nouns beginning with a no vowel sound. A and N always meet.
Once ma'am left meeting. Lisa ma'am left the meeting.
Okay, now is my voice audible? Please reply. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Chalo,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, there was a network failure. So I was not able to join. Okay. So I hope you guys have underlined. Chaliye, my book is visible to you. Bacha, please reply yes, no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, so, okay, fine. So, we are studying about articles, right? Now articles, as I told you, a, n and the are articles. They modify the nouns and it are placed before the nouns. Clear? Chalo. Now everyone please underline the blue box on page 38 and come to exercise number 1 on page 39. Right? Chali. Can I please request Didi to read the question, the heading of the question and the first sentence?
Yes, ma'am. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Add a or an before each word. One has been done for you. My father is a doctor.
Right? My father is a doctor. Thank you. Thank you, Riri. Next on my list, Om Jivani. Please read the second question. Everyone else, start doing by yourself. Om, second one.
Japan is an island country.
Yes, Japan is an island country. Thank you, Om. Next, Dwij.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read
Yes,
third one,
ma'am.
Beta.
Is used before nouns beginning with a constant sound.
Dwij, page number 39, question number 1. Page number 39, question number 1, ka C. Page number 39, question number 1, ka C.
This running and
It's
I am not carrying in an beer and am below.
Umbrella. It's
Umbrella.
raining and I'm not carrying an umbrella. Very good, है ना द्विज? पढ़ना लिखना नहीं तो पूरा स्पेलिंग भी भूल जाओगे umbrella का. Start reading. चलिए next, DA Khan. Next one.
Yes, ma'am. Penny gifted me a clock on my birthday.
Yes,
A
Penny
clock.
gifted me a clock on my birthday. Thank you. Next, Astha.
I have an eraser, but I need to buy a pencil.
Yes, I have an eraser, but I need to buy a pencil. Chalo. Khanak. Next.
Yes, ma'am. There is a cat on top of your car.
Yes, there is a cat on top of your car. Next, meet. Meet Makwana. Okay, chalo, come on. Next, Rena.
Yes, ma'am. There is a cat on
Sorry,
top of
G.
your car.
नहीं बच्चा, after
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
G1.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Have you ever seen an ostrich run?
Yes, have you ever seen an ostrich run? Okay, chalo. Next, Ria.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one.
Have a dash a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Right? Chalo. Chalo, the exercise is done. My book is very clear to you. You guys are able to read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Next one.
Yes.
Come to question number 2. Add an adjective before each noun, then write a or an correctly. One has been done for you. Dash girl. Girl कैसी हो सकती है? An intelligent girl. That has been already done, right? चलिए. Next, I would want Yesha. Please read the second one and give me the answer. कोई भी answer चलेगा. These are the sample answers, ना?
Okay, ma'am. A new car.
Yes, a new car, a red car, a big car, anything is correct. Thank you, Yasha. Next, Zeel. Zeela bola.
Yes, ma'am. A huge elephant.
Yes, a huge elephant. H-U-G-E, huge elephant. Chaliye, next.
Ma'am, we can write
again I have to
our
start from. Yes, you can write your own answers, no worries. Chaliye, Om Jivani, fourth one.
An independent country.
An independent country, or you can write a big country. Anything of your choice, right? Chaliye. Dwij, next one, page number 40 pe. Dwij Rupala. Okay, next, Vansh Kadiwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Page number 40, E.
40. Blank. Idea.
Answer,
Oh,
a great idea.
a great idea.
Okay. उसके अलावा anybody else, you can write any answer of your choice, not a problem. Chaliye, next one, last one.
Idea.
Yes, a smart idea, an intelligent idea.
A
Chaliye,
good
next,
idea.
last one, a good idea. Yes, a good idea. Last one, Dhyay Khan.
Idea. Yes, ma'am.
Last one.
Dash actor. A tall actor.
Yes, a tall actor, a smart actor, a big actor, a rich actor, anything you can write. Chal, exercise 2 is done. Chaliye, tick this box as I am P. The box on page 41. Tick the box as I am P. Important, you have to read this to know कि the कहाँ use होगा. Okay? Chaliye. Now come to exercise number 3. Chaliye. First of all, I would want by yourself. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to do it by yourself. Come on. Exercise number 3 of page 41. Do it by yourself. Then we will discuss the answers. You have to just write a very good.
My also done.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Okay. चलिए. Now, let us check the answers. मैं जिसको बोलूँ, they will speak the answers, right? चलिए. First one, Astagara.
I love.
Astagara.
Yes, ma'am. I love to have an omelette for breakfast.
Yes, I love to have an omelette for breakfast. चलो next, Khanaf.
Yes, ma'am. Jenna moved to the USA when she was 15 years old.
Yes, to the USA. चलिए next, Rena.
Yes, ma'am. See, I met a boy at the grocery shop.
Yes, at the grocery store. Next one, Riri.
Yes, ma'am. My grandfather was the oldest guest at.
Riri, can you tell me why have we used the? यहाँ पे हमने the क्यों use किया instead of n?
Ma'am, because the grandfather, it was specific. The grandfather, only the grandfather was the oldest guest.
No, so because oldest. Do you remember the superlative degree, the degrees of comparison that we have been doing? In that, if old,
Yes.
older, oldest. So oldest is the superlative degree. तो superlative degree के आगे हमेशा
So,
what do we add? The. Yes. Okay. चलो next one, Riya.
yes, ma'am.
Riya.
The Nile is one of the longest river in the world.
Yes, the Nile is the longest river in the world. Right? चलो. Next. Yasha.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Page number 42, F.
As he had lost an important document.
Can you please repeat, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Brad looked worried as he had lost an important document.
Yes, Brad looked worried as he had lost an important document. Thank you. Next my list. Wait once. चलिए next, Zeel.
Yes, ma'am. This is the
Chalo.
best temple that I visited last year.
This is the temple that I visited last year. Okay, now last one, Vansh.
Carol's father worked as an electrician and
Okay, N. But it is not Carol, it is Carol. Carol's father works as an electrician. Right? Chaliye. Now question number 4, take it and mark it as HW. Done? Why Vishwa is not there in the class? He joined, right? Okay. Chalo. Now
yes,
come
ma'am,
to
it joined, but
exercise
before you came, he leave it.
She left. Okay. चलिए, come to exercise number 5. Omission of article means जहाँ पे हमें the नहीं लगाना है, you have to put this dash. Yeah? चलिए, first one, Vansh. Please tell the answer. First one. Exercise number 5, first one.
The President of India lies in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of the India lies in Rashtrapati Bhavan.
यहाँ पे you cannot write the India. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So पहली fill-up में you will just put a dash. There is no article required. Okay? चलिए next. Didi. Didi, second one.
I like to watch dash football more than dash cricket. Ma'am, nothing.
Yes, there should not be any articles. I like to watch football more than cricket. Right? चलिए next.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Rome is the capital of dash Italy. Nothing.
Third one, bacha. Please give.
Please give me the chocolate cake.
Read third one. Yes, please give me the chocolate cake. We are asking about the particular chocolate cake. Yes, the chocolate cake. Next, Ria.
Yes, ma'am. Please, Roma is the capital of
Rome.
Italy. Where the state
Yes, Rome.
I thanked you last week.
Rome is the capital of Italy. So you don't need to write any articles. So you have just put dash. Yeah? Chaliye, next, Zeal. Eva. E.
Yes, ma'am. Where's the pen I lent to you last week?
The. Where is the pen I lent you last week? Right? Chaliye, next. Yesha. Jeevan.
Yes, ma'am. The doctors are people who save lives.
The doctors are the people who save lives. Okay. Chalo, last answer. J.
Yes, ma'am. I have no idea how big dash earth is.
Yes, I have no idea how big the earth is. Chalo, done? Everybody has done? Yes or no? Please type it in the chat below. Whose work is done? Yes, okay. Vansh has completed. Done. Okay, fine. Okay, chaliye. Let us move to the last exercise for today. Question number 6. Complete the story with a, and, the or no article. Right? Chaliye. I am speaking and you have to write. It is a story where you have to put a, n or the. And if no article is required, आप वहाँ पे dash करेंगे. Clear? चलिए. I am from Agra. Agra is dash famous city in dash India. My answer is Agra is a famous city in India. So put a dash before India. Next line. It is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. The people from all over the world visit Agra to see the Taj Mahal. I live in dash big house in an area called Subhash Nagar. I live in a big house in an area called Subhash Nagar. उनको बोलो सुभाष नगर तो मोरबी में भी है. Who is living in Subhash Nagar? Who is living in Subhash Nagar of Morbi? Somebody of you is living in Subhash Nagar of Morbi? Okay.
I
Right?
live near
So this person is also... Okay, you live near Subhash Nagar. Okay. I live in a big house in an area called Subhash Nagar. The house was built by my grandfather and it is more than 100 years old. यहाँ पे the क्यों लगाया है? Why have you used the over here?
Ma'am, because the house is repeated once.
Yes, because we are talking about that particular house. One time the name of the house is already been told. Right? I live in a big house. But if I am talking about the same house, that is why I have written over here the house. Chalo, everyone completed this exercise? One more paragraph is there at the end and then I'll give you the homework. Chalo. Page number 44. Page number 44, the paragraph. I am a student. I like reading books and playing chess. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English and history. My father is an architect. So the answers would be A, then dash, then again A, dash, dash, last में N. Is this exercise done? Everyone, please type it in the chat box whose work is done.
Yes, ma'am, my work is done.
Please type it in the chat box whose work is done. Okay, only Riya has done the work. Rena has also done, okay. But only Riya and Rena. Okay, Zil's work is also done. Very good. Home is done. Okay. Dvij, आपका camera on करो. Let me see your work. Please show me on the textbook. Let me see your work. Angel, आपका textbook जब भी आपके पास आए, please complete this work, okay? Dvij, show me your notebook. चलिए, last exercise, that is exercise number 7, is your homework. You have to do it as your homework. Exercise number 7 would be your homework. Right? So let us recall what we have done today. We have done chapter number 7, that is articles. Right? Articles means a and the. Right? And we have done exercises. There are 2 homeworks or 2 exercises which are in homework. One is exercise number 7 and another one is exercise number 4. Here, exercise number 4 and exercise number 7 are the homework. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
क्यों कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है? No reply from anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now let us move for the attendance. Now आपने द्विज अब तक मुझे दिखाया नहीं. द्विज, show me your textbook. Everyone, please switch on your camera so that I can see your textbook.
Ma'am, can I show you my work?
Yes. I need to see everyone's work. Yes, Riri, I'm able to see you. Your work. Okay, fine. Turn the page, please. Yes, turn the page. Good. Good. Very good. Okay, Riri, now you can switch off your camera. That is your homework, right? Exercise number 4. Okay, fine. Okay, Riri can switch off your camera. Anybody else? जिसका कैमरा वर्क कर रहा है, कैमरा इज ऑन वर्किंग कंडीशन.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm able to see the screen. Yes. Okay, your work is finished. Done. Okay. Okay, जी. चलिए, let us move to the attendance. Then we can. You guys can have your food. भूख लगी है कि नहीं लगी है?
लगी है मैम, बहुत
लगी है. ओके, चलिए क्विकली. आयुषी एब्सेंट, Riri present, Zeel present, Yesha present, Heer absent, Asta Charola, Prem Godavia, Golter is absent, Harshit is absent, Mauryadeep is absent. Why this many absentees over here? इसके पहले कौन सा क्लास था बेटा?
SS. Ma'am, in SS there are also 30.
Ma'am, SS में तो मौर्यदीप था.
Okay, no issues. चलो, Om Jivani present, Vansh Kadiwar present, Dhye is also present, Shubham Marwania absent, Riya is present, Reena is also present, Pant is absent, Khanak present, Dvij is also present. Dvij, you have to promise me that you will be reading. आपको रीडिंग की जरूरत है बहुत. Vishwa is absent, Shubham is absent, Arav Zalaria is absent, Meet Makwana is present, and Asta Agara is also present. Now every one of you can have your food, bacha. Till we meet next. Take care of yourselves.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice